Hey guys, Dave here, Dent Repair Now out of Pittsburgh. Today we have a mobile repair that we're doing in Allison Park. Today we have a 2020 Royce Wraith with a small dent here in the sail panel, and we're going to be using the glue pull method. We're going to glue this tab onto the car and pull that dent out because there's not very good access to this part of the car. Even if I remove the interior, I won't be able to reach that. So we're going to use a glue tab, glue it on the car, and pull the dent out. I'll show you in a bit. Alright guys, this is going to wrap up our glue pull on our mobile repair. Again, a 2020 Royce Wraith. Thanks to the Reaper tabs, the Reaper crease tab, and hot glue. Another car saved from the body shop. Thanks guys, we'll see you next time.